What's up, travelers? Hello from my home airport, Gothenburg, Sweden, and today I'm flying economy class. Just where all my haters say I belong. Well, what you gonna tell me now? Today I'm flying economy class by choice. That's just how bad inter-European business class is. So what we're gonna see today, we're gonna do a little bit of a comparison to business class in Europe, which I've flown before, to my flight today. Now, I'm just gonna say this, I'm not sure it's actually true, we'll see after this flight, but spontaneously, after my many experiences, I feel like Lufthansa business or Lufthansa economy class within Europe is actually quite good, even though you're paying a fortune. Mainly, let's see why you wanna save those hard-earned coins or hard-earned miles for a better product and not waste them on business class. So I'm having a little bit of pre-flight food at our Swedish Pride Max. It's like McDonald's or Burger King, but so much better. So the thing is, I always know that like either Lufthansa serves food that is just not good, or it's usually not vegetarian, so I can't have it. So I always try to eat before, and this tastes so much better anyway. And I know that when I land in Frankfurt at like 9 p.m. I'm not gonna want to go find food, but oh yeah. The thing is that my flight is like 50 minutes delayed, and for some reason this is just frustrating me so much this time because I'm like, okay, I expect a low-cost carrier to make everything as inconvenient as possible. Like Ryanair, sure, but when it's Lufthansa and it's like they charge so much for this route, can they at least be on time? So my biggest secret for flying economy class is to always have priority pass. Gets you into the lounge, even in economy. So I finally learned to pull the age-old millennial trick of wearing headphones so that people just think I'm talking on the phone. Hi Dad, how's it going? And that I'm not actually talking to a camera in public. I'm always super awkward when I'm vlogging in public, which is why my vlogs are very like toned down. And I'm like, hello, how are you? Everything is okay. But then like when I'm filming at home, I'm like, what's up? Today's video is all about why I would choose to downgrade a flight from business class to economy. And I know to most people that sounds crazy. It sounds crazy to me. Like if you had told me this even 2 years ago, I would have been like, you are insane. But there's a good reason. Those of you who fly often, especially if you saw my Lufthansa versus Turkish Airlines intra-European business class video, you might know what this is about. And of course, we're talking about why business class in Europe is terrible. So today I chose to fly economy. I had the ticket in business class ready to go. I was like, this is awesome. There was a word space. I had enough miles. And then I was like, have I not learned my lesson? And I finally did. So I decided to change my ticket from business class to economy to save the miles for a better use in the future. And today you're gonna see just why you should never waste your money on business class within Europe. So here's the deal. Flying business class can be amazing. You guys have seen me rave about Singapore Airlines and the likes, but we can all relate to the feeling of spending a lot of money on something and then feeling like we've been ripped off, like it wasn't worth it, or like we didn't get our money's worth. That's why you wanna avoid business class in Europe. I'm not gonna pay hundreds of extra dollars to board a couple minutes earlier. So let's see how different it is on the plane. So the trick is always to get an exit row, and Lufthansa even lets you select them for free. Now of course, you wanna be able to like open the exit in case of an emergency, but the amount of legroom, better than business class. Now I'm gonna show you a clip from when I flew Lufthansa business class in Europe in January. So do you see any difference? Any headrest? Any more recline? Let's look at the legroom one more time. This is pure life hacks. Oh, I love the A320neo. Vlogging in public is easier when you have a whole row to yourself. Am I the only person who always gets so tired as soon as I get onto a plane? Especially whenever I'm starting to read, like I try to read a book, I get through a few pages, and I just go, I know there's a lack of oxygen, but it kills me every time, which is why it's like nice to be able to sleep, but there's no choice in Europe. You just gotta go and try your best. So, alright, here's the economy class meal service. This is complimentary. So we have a vegetarian sandwich here. It's sunflower bread, Gouda, herb, cream cheese. And what's funny is I don't even eat cheese, but in the moment she was like, chicken or cheese, and I just panicked and said cheese. And a glass of drink. So here we have orange juice. And this is the free meal service in economy class. On Lufthansa, you come aboard, I said, hi, good morning, and they say, hi. Then you walk to your seat. There's no service before takeoff, no drinks, nothing. Then literally the first service of the flight was 15 minutes in when the flight attendant just came past with a plastic tray, opened the tray table without saying a word, and put it down. And I was like, wait, this is not a vegetarian meal. Well, apparently my special meal order hadn't gone through. It's, again, not a huge deal on this flight, but it's kind of a shame when that happens. So I'm left here with a little bit of juice. It looks like the orange juice is pulp though, so can't be mad about that. This actually looks really good, but yeah, just again, no hot towels or anything with the meal. And the meal was like, oh gosh, I'm going to show you what I got on a Lufthansa intra-European business class flight this summer. Okie dokie, the main course is served. About half a potato. I'm the last one off the plane. I feel like my grandma would be so proud of me because nowadays I've really spaced my trips out, and I know that everyone from Gothenburg is always connecting. So I figured since I'm staying in Frankfurt overnight, I'll just wait, get off last, and let everyone make their connection. So our flight arrived 35 minutes late, which is terrible at this hour because some people have like 50-minute connections. So there were people on my flights that had 15 minutes once we got to the gate to make their flight, which is just insane. So now it's funny because I'm just walking around here, I'm like, oh, should I go shopping? Meanwhile, everyone is just rushing because all the people in the terminal now, like all the flights are boarding, so everyone in the terminal now is in a rush. Alright, so I made it to my weird hotel room at the Moxie Hotel. This wouldn't usually be my style, but I guess for tonight I'm digging it. This is kind of a funny thing. I wonder if this is like something you get to keep. I doubt it, but I have so many people I could give this as a gift to. Right, I'm gonna go to bed now. I'm gonna finish this video tomorrow morning. I'm so terrified because I think I'm getting a huge pimple here. And tomorrow is like a big video day, so hopefully we can fight it. We're gonna do our best, but for now, gonna go to bed. Gonna take this huge thing. Oh, maybe it's because there's no desk in here. This is like the improvised desk. So anyway, good night guys. See you tomorrow for some concluding thoughts on this video, and hopefully it will make more sense then. Good morning guys. Oh my gosh, this hotel, did you see that? But yes, it's a new day. I'm off to the airport again, and I thought I'd just explain a little more about yesterday. So as you saw, we got a free meal. I had more leg room than I have in business class. And it's just like a 1.5 hour flight, so it was really nice just sitting there. Honestly, we started descending before I even like understood what was going on. The one big frustration was that the flight was 35 minutes delayed, which seems to be quite common with Lufthansa nowadays, but that would have happened even if I was in business class. So save your dollars guys and don't waste money on business class on these short flights. I look forward to seeing you guys for my next video super soon, and fly safe.